Hi, I am Mari and today I will show you how I created this rabbit for the year of the rabbit. I had already created the Western style zodiac and now I want to create the Chinese zodiac. So I started with the palette for the 2023, that is the Magenta, my Magenta palette. And then decided no, it's too dark for this chibi idea of a rabbit. So I have this chibi idea in my head. I said, well, maybe I will use my chibi set and start scrolling, but then decided no, let's start from main point. I want my head to fit in a square and then my feet or my whole body to be the half of the head, and then the ears of the rabbit, probably the whole full length of the face again, like the same square. But then I look at it and then I decided maybe the ears were not good, so I just selected the ears and distorted them a little bit open, as you can see here. I normally use a sketch brush that is in my line work brush set, but you can use any sketch brush that comes with Porcreate. It's fine. I just have my preferences and everyone has them. And then after creating the sketch, I just create the line art with the line art brush I have in the set. And then I thought it was cute to have a little bow on the top. And for the eyes, I wanted these cute chibi eyes. And even though I had these cute ones, I realized, well, maybe I can create the mouth to be the actual nose of my rabbit, because rabbit noses are cute. So here we just move around the pieces, and this is very convenient just to create a liner. As you maybe have seen already, I have the layers divided in the whole body, so I can just release the color inside easily. And then I have the bow in another layer and the eyes in another layer. And then I place my coloring on the bottom layer. In this way, if I want to change the color, it is easier, and also you can avoid these white spaces that sometimes exist between the line of the coloring, and there is a chance you can improve that coloring. And then on the top of that, I create a new layer, which is basically for shades, and I normally use either change of colors like darken or multiply for the color in the layer below. Then we put some shadows and highlights, and that's how it is. Also, I had the line art in another layer, I decided to change a little bit that color to a brownish color, and then also change the background to have just a little bit more fun background. And to show off a little bit my new brushes for Valentine's, I decided to put some hearts around this cute little bunny. And this one you will find it now in all my stores, in my Etsy shop and also in my Gumroad account. There is a coupon code for those who love hearts in the description. So now I'm gonna place just some text in the bottom to say that this is the year of the rabbit. So if you are born in this year, you will be a rabbit. Tell me in the comments which is your sign. I mean the Chinese one, and also if you want to share the Western sign. For example, mine are Cancer in the Western zodiac, and I am a rat in the Chinese zodiac. How about you? Share in the comments. And here just selecting different fonts. The GR font, you can find it for free in my Gumroad account. And then at the end of your drawing, please don't forget to sign your art. Also, this rabbit, it is available in my Redbubble shop. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!